Hello, we're at Hartbeespoort Dam here.
A boat ride, then you can have a picnic there of your own. We are Cindy and Graham with Jaunti Van Life. Come and join us.
Hulle is daar so. Kom laat jy vir my kom. Okay.
Built a camper van out of a Boxer 2004 Peugeot to travel weekends through South Africa. We still work, so it's now and again that we travel, but we do show you many different things about our lives. Please follow us, subscribe, and enjoy our vibe.
Okay, so we've just arrived at HARTBEESPOORTONLINE for our boat trip, and yeah, it's a very pleasant place. The start is over here, and we're going to go down there, and Cindy's already down there in the middle of Pick, just below the Red Buoy. So yeah, we're going to go down there and we're going to sit and wait for the next ride. Should be an interesting day. So here we are, just doing some pre-checks, refueling and all kinds of things. It's a nice little boat this. There's a couple of little other ones. It's a nice speedy. Obviously the sailboat, which I love, but we won't go on that. But yeah, this looks cool. I like that. It's going to be fun.
Hi Trifine, introduce
Hello.
yourself.
Hi Cindy, how are you? My name is Trifine. I'm the booking lady. I do bookings for boat cruises, for accommodation, for the spa, and a lot of activities around Hartbeespoort. So yeah, so I'm the one who hosts all the people that come here for boat cruises also.
Oh,
Wonderful.
fantastic.
Nice to meet you, Trifine.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Nice to meet you too.
And they look after everybody here, and
Yes,
wow,
yeah.
okay. Lovely, thanks Trifine.
Carry on.
Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, you're going on the cruise. Where are you from, Joburg or where?
From
Roslyn.
Where?
Roslyn.
Rosalie.
Pretoria.
Oh, Pretoria. Perfect. I like what's on your t-shirt.
Self-Love Club.
I love it. So this is going to be lovely for you, hey? On the boat. Just go.
And the distinguished
Enjoy,
lady.
yes. Oh wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
But this is the booze cruise.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Hartbeespoort Online.
Oh, my sister's daughter got it,
So it's through
and
yes.
for
Oh
us.
wow, that's fantastic.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
She booked it for us for Mother's Day.
Oh,
We won't be
that's
here on Mother's Day.
fantastic. Here's our skipper David showing how the life jacket works and who wants to wear one. Due to copywritten music, we had to put our own in, but you can't hear the vibe of what was happening on the boat. It was beautiful. They were dancing and talking. It was such a great vibe on the boat. I wish I could let you hear it.
sit out and look at everything. Look at the buildings there.
After an hour, the trip was over and we returned back to shore. We went off for coffee, had a drive along the bridge of the dam, went to the tunnel and enjoyed a lovely pizza. Tunnel. Out the tunnel. Here's the waiting cars to go through.
We're at Hartbeespoort Dam here at a tiny little shopping centre, call it that, on the other side of the bridge. In my youth I used to come from my home this way. The bridge is over there. We used to come this way and visit this little area. So we've just gone through the bridge,
The tunnel, yeah.
And now we're stopping here. We're going to have pizzas
Yeah.
and cappuccinos. And wow, it's going to be awesome. We had such an awesome time.
This pizza place is next to the Ugly Duckling shop.
Yes,
Beautiful things
the
in
Ugly
there.
Duckling.
Beautiful things. Yeah.
And what is this? It's
Called
Republica. Republica pizza.
yeah,
Republica.
Pizza
Republica. It's a
Republica.
Republica, you know.
Yes, it's opposite the zoo.
Yes, opposite the zoo.
Yeah, the zoo's
The
right
zoo?
across.
Republica.
Yeah, okay.
We used to play that in
Yeah.
the pizza.
dam wall. Sorry, the bumping. Beautiful Hartbeespoort Dam is so close to Johannesburg, Pretoria, Rustenburg. Come and enjoy a day out. Get hold of HARTBEESPOORTONLINE.co.za and make a booking. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy the vibe.